Hi, my beautiful people. Hi, family. There's this party I went yesterday in Munchi, people from Sierra Leone. So, yeah, a lot of people were there who was also invited. I couldn't start the video from the beginning because of my phone is almost off, so I have no option till a little bit battery that I have to use it to do videos so that I would show my fans where I am. So this is us here. We're almost there. We keep going. So a lady was beside me. She said she have to help me to video. So we video everywhere. This is the party, as in this is the park. It's full. I've never seen this kind of park before. It's full. Everyone, Arab people are on one side, Indian people are on one side. Many people are there. A lot of people are there. We are here live. So like I say, Arab people are one side, Indian are one side, Nigerian, Sierra Leone, Ghana, Togo, a lot of people. The park was already full. No, everyone come with their keys. The place is safe, and police are everywhere monitoring everybody so that there will not be problem. Look at how people are many. So at the end of the day, yeah, we also get there. We arrive. We have to pay fuel. After we pay finish, they give us food. We pay to enter, so we eat free food. But you have to buy drink. So this is me and my friend talking. Oh my God. So we were talking about the food, how sweet and delicious the food is, Yeah, I was just also videoing myself. I never knew the camera is not standing well, I was using one of my hand to hold food, the other of my hand to eat, the way I do. So I was just, I was just there slaying around. Then when we get the food, we go inside the place. We go inside the place to go and see where we will sit down. And my friend said, let's stand outside a little bit. It's not yet for us now to go inside. Oh my God, I want to fall down. So we were there, we stand outside, we started hitting. She said, video me, put camera on my face. So later we go inside, we go and look for where we want to sit down. This is the lady who invited us. She's from Sierra Leone. The other white lady was from Ethiopia. Me, I'm from Nigeria. So all of us were there enjoying ourselves. The one that can dance. The one that cannot dance was standing looking around, It's not that easy, though, but we try our best to survive. That's their flag there, the Sierra Leone flag. So, yeah, we're also tired of standing. We have to go and sit down. And sometimes we go outside to go and take another food. They say food is free, food is free. I mean, I like food. I already buy their gate fee. I was showing my hand that me, I don't buy waiting that they pay enter. Me, I will eat before I go. So, guys, if you find this video lovely and funny, you can still follow me. I'm going to end it here right now. So, this is how I spent my day yesterday. 31st, May 1st. This is what they do in Munchi. See you guys on my next video. Bye.